Next shooter is Callahan. Davis on deck.
You sure shot the pants off of everybody with that score, Harry. I've never seen you smoother. By the way, I personally want to tell you how sorry I am about what happened to Charlie.
What I can't figure out, Frank, is how the hell that kid Davis got in there first. I mean, you guys were right across the street.
I don't have a goddamned idea, Harry. Kid came out of nowhere. We were in that garage before you could spit. Maybe I'm slowing down in my old age or something. I don't know.
Dr. Callahan, I want to be the first to congratulate you on what I think will be the winning score. You shaded me by 7 points. The only person now who has a chance is Davis.